girls, and welcome to Goron Guitar and to some cool African vibes from Crayon, IJO, LABA LABA, or so. I don't know if that is the exact pronunciation there, but a cool song. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through an entire song. That's great. Let's start with capo here on the 4th fret. And with that we have first E minor. And we will have certain notes I want to emphasize here. So for this E minor, you're gonna play open E, second A, second D, open G, and then 3rd B, and open E. Okay, the next chord will be G. We will hold it in some kind of bar chord. It's not exact the G chord, but I will call it G. So you have a bar here on the 3rd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A, 4th on G, and 5th on E. Like that. The next chord will be this one. That's the A7 sus actually. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. Just a plain D as it is. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so that is the chord progression. E minor, G, A7 sus, and D. So for the E minor, you want to emphasize the 3rd fret B string. For the G, you want to emphasize the 5th fret E string. And for A7, the 3rd fret B again, and the same goes with the D chord, 3rd fret B string. So you emphasize that one for chord E minor, A7 and D, and for G you emphasize the 5th fret A string, and that, sorry, E string. That is pretty important for this song. It goes like kind of a melody there in the background with these 4 notes emphasized. So try to get these notes. You can play it like I just did, just one down or one pluck. I choose to play a pluck if I just go with that. I think that is more accurate to do that and really get the notes I want. So I always have the bass, so with E minor it's the open E, and then I pick the strings in between there, in this case the D, G, and B string. For the G chord, the bass again, which is still the E string, and with that I'm gonna play the G, B, and E to really get this one. A7 sus, I pick all the strings in between there, the 5th, like the A string, D string, G string, and B string. And for D, I pluck the last 4 strings from bottom up, the D, G, B, and E. You could skip the E as well, just go with the D, G, and B, like that. Okay, so that is one way of playing this. So one round, so yeah, like that. But you can also choose to play that in a more fun way, like a strumming pattern. And if you choose to do that, one round will sound like this with E minor. Okay, so that is down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap. You're gonna play one strumming round per chord, so that will be notice it's a long break between the first down and the clap, okay? And that pretty much covers Crayon's IJO LABA LABA. So a cool song to play if you like this kind of music. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Play tune.